I think they said that, don't quote me on this, but I think I read somewhere where like the what is it, the latest model from OpenAI, the ChatGPT 4.0, I think they said that was like a 4-month training cycle or something ridiculous like that, like multiple months, right? Which makes sense, you know. They're using a lot of information, a lot of documents, a lot of nodes. But yeah, I mean, some of the other stuff out there is kind of still, you know, still maturing, right? There's, as we say in a corporate environment, there's room for improvement, right? So there's still a ways to go. Okay, so Patrick says Llama 3.1 took nearly 4 million GPU hours. Yeah, I believe it. I've heard similar things where it's just, you know, this isn't just something you train in an afternoon, right? You're training this for like weeks on end, not even days, but weeks on end, right? Patrick says the big version. Yeah, Patrick, yeah, we can assume that. Some of the smaller versions, yeah, probably don't take nearly as long, but still a pretty good investment, right? Like you're still not training any size LLM like in a day, right? It's not one of those models where you just train it and then go have lunch, you come back and you have your results, right? You know? But yeah, it's definitely, you know, something where like literally the models are being trained as we speak. Mustafa said, God bless NVIDIA. Yeah, well, I don't know how they did in the stock market yesterday. I don't know if they were blessed yesterday. But yeah, you know, NVIDIA is in their GPUs. So Mustafa says, do we even know when or what's the next step? Yeah, absolutely, Mustafa.